everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can leg out your account on Monopoly Go. So this is a basic and easy tutorial, so let's jump right into it. First up, open your Monopoly Go app and then tap on the three lines right there at the top right hand corner of your screen. And here, as you can see, these are all the options. So basically just tap on the settings at the bottom. And here, just need to tap on the connect account, which is the green button right here at the bottom. And here you will find all your connected accounts, your Facebook, your Google Play, or contacts. So what you're going to do to basically leg out your account is just tap on that disconnect button. So once you click on that, as you can see, it will show you this one saying disconnect or cancel. So to log out, just tap on disconnect button. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel.